Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming up with another video on problems in 1D motion. Today I have picked a question from NCERT textbook. Okay, the question goes like this. Okay, let us see the questions. Okay, a player throws a ball upwards with an initial speed of 29.4 meters per second. To what height does the ball rise and after how long does the ball return to the player's hand? Let us look at it. Now, first of all, we have to write the equations of motion. So let us write the equations of motion. Equations of motion are V is equal to U plus AT, and then we have S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and the third one we have V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, right? Now what is given in this problem, let us see. Okay, the given is if you consider is the player throws the ball upwards with a speed of 29.4. so a ball is going from down here, it travels upwards under the action of gravity and it reaches the top position, right? So initially when it is thrown, it has a velocity which is initial velocity u, which is 29.4 meters per second, and it takes, say for example, t1 time to go up. Okay, so u is equal to 29.4. what is v? As it reaches to the top, the velocity becomes 0, right? So velocity goes to 0. What is g, or what is the acceleration here? Okay, acceleration is given as g is equal to 9.81, but what is the value here? Okay, see, g always acts downwards, right? Now when the ball goes up, the positive direction is towards up. Okay, the positive direction is upwards, but the g acts downwards, so acceleration is given as minus g, which is equal to minus 9.8. and what is asked here? Asked is our yes, which is a question mark, right? So if you consider s is given in this equation as well as this equation, but which is more appropriate? The one which has everything other than s. So if you consider the second equation, the time is not known, right? So we cannot use this. We have to use the third equation, which is v square is equal to u square plus 2as, right? Now what is s here? S can be written as v square minus u square divided by 2a, right? Because u goes the other side, it becomes minus, and 2a comes downwards, so it is v square minus u square by 2. Let us substitute. So s is equal to, instead of v we will substitute 0, minus, instead of u we will substitute 29.4 square, and instead of acceleration we will substitute as minus 9.8. So the answer what we will get here is 44.1 meters. That would be the answer. Now this is the answer for what height does the ball rise. But then how long does it take? Now if you observe, when it is going up it is decelerating, and when it is going down it is accelerating, but the amount is the same by g, right? So let us take, when it is going up it is taking a time t1, and when it is coming down it is taking a time t2, and t1 is actually equal to t2 because it is acting under the same acceleration, right? Now here let us consider the next one here, which is the one which will give us time very easily, and it is this equation, right? So let us use this. v is equal to u plus at. What is required for us? Time. So time is equal to, if you consider v minus u divided by a, what is v? V is 0, minus, what is u? 29 0.4. What is acceleration? Acceleration is minus 9.8. So what we will get at the end is the answer 3, and this is actually T1. So T1 is 3 seconds, but T is equal to T1 plus T2, which is 3 plus 3, that would be equal to 6 seconds. So T is equal to 6 seconds. So the answers are S is equal to 44.1 meters and time is equal to 6 seconds. I hope you have understood this, students. We will do similar problems more, start from very easy and will slowly pick up in difficulty. Thank you very much. Happy learning.